This video shows how to install the HP NFC wireless 1200W mobile print accessory. We will demonstrate both the direct wireless and USB pass-through connection methods. The USB pass-through connection is an optional connection method. The USB pass-through allows your printer to directly communicate with the PC through the 1200W using a USB cable. The 1200W kit provides everything needed for the direct wireless connection. The kit provides HP wireless 1200W mobile print accessory, power supply, plug adapter, USB A/B cable. The USB pass-through connection option requires one additional USB A/B cable, which is not provided in the kit. If the printer was initially connected directly to the PC, then this USB cable can be used. This is the HP wireless 1200W mobile print accessory. We will point out the various parts in a quick tour to make installation easier. On top you will see the NFC icon and the two status indicator lights. This is the multifunction button. On the back of the 1200W are two USB ports and a power port. Here is where you can attach an optional Kensington lock. And this label shows the device's Service Set Identification, or SSID. The device's serial number and MAC address are located on the underside of the 1200W. The first step is to assemble the power adapter. The power adapter comes in two pieces, a base and a regional specific plug. To begin the installation, insert the plug adapter into the power supply. Plug the power supply into the 1200W. Plug the power supply into a power source. For this demonstration, we will use an HP LaserJet Pro MFP M125 printer. Turn on the printer before continuing. You have two options in how you set up and use the HP wireless 1200W mobile print accessory. The first option we will show is the direct wireless method. This will allow you to connect wirelessly to your printer. Plug the A plug of the USB A/B cable into the 1200W module. Plug the B plug of the USB A/B cable into the printer's USB port. At this point, you can connect to the device's SSID in order to print using HP Wireless Direct, also known as peer-to-peer printing. If the connections are all correct, there will be a green LED ready light showing on the 1200W. Note: if you connected wirelessly to the 1200W, the LEDs will show green and blue. If a red LED lights up, support might be required. First, verify that you've made all of the connections correctly. For additional product information, including troubleshooting, go to hp.com/go/1200W support or scan the associated QR code on the install guide in your 1200W kit. The second setup option for the HP wireless 1200W mobile print accessory is known as the USB pass-through configuration. This option will allow you to connect wirelessly to your printer and also attach a computer directly to the printer through a second USB cable. With the 1200W mobile print accessory already attached to the printer, attach a second USB A/B cable. For the USB pass-through mode, insert the B plug of the second USB A/B cable into the 1200W's second USB port. Insert the A plug of the second USB A/B cable into a laptop or computer. This is how the final configuration should look. If the connections are all correct, the 1200W ready light will show green. Note: if you connected wirelessly to the 1200W, the LEDs will show green and blue. If a red LED lights up, support might be required. First, verify that you've made all of the connections correctly. For additional product information, including troubleshooting, go to hp.com/go/1200W support or scan the associated QR code on the install guide in your 1200W kit. With a green indicator light on, verify the print connection. Press and hold the multifunction button for 2 seconds, then release it. A configuration page will print. Note: if the multifunction button is held for 14 seconds, it will reset the device to the factory settings. The configuration page includes the device's SSID, IP address, and a QR code. The SSID provides the wireless direct print connection. The IP QR code enables access to the Embedded Web Server, EWS, which launches the 1200W wizard. For most mobile devices, you can connect to the 1200W's SSID using the Wi-Fi menu on your mobile device. This is usually found under Settings. You will see a wireless network name, SSID, with 1200W. Tap the wireless network name, SSID, to establish an HP Wireless Direct connection. When you connect wirelessly to the 1200W using a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, the 1200W LEDs will show green and blue. If the 1200W wizard doesn't automatically launch, then open your web browser and enter the IP address 192.168.223.1 or scan the Wireless Direct Configuration QR code from the configuration page you printed. Once in the EWS, the wizard will launch for first-time users. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup using the wizard. HP recommends using the Setup Wizard to configure the 1200W to enable automatic firmware updates and configure the 1200W to access your existing wireless network. You can use the EWS at any time to connect the 1200W to your existing wireless network, get automatic firmware updates, and set the EWS password. For more information, go to hp.com/go/1200W support or scan the QR code. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support-videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HPPrinterSupport.